Hi there, here is PC Pro, and in this video I will learn you how to activate the sound and save mode. You just need to file, you should download it, run it, then restart your computer and everything will work good. So just follow me. We will going to Mediafire website, downloading this thing here. Okay, click here, run, then click yes, then click OK. After downloading the file and add, and then click yes, and then click OK. Then restart your computer and everything will work good. I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and bye.